2012 Economics Past Question number 19. Fixing price above equilibrium will cause, option A says, demand and supply to remain constant. B says an increase in quantity supply. C says an increase in supply. D says a decrease in quantity supply. When the prevailing market price of a commodity is higher than the equilibrium price, the supply will definitely be higher than the demand, and the market will experience excess supply, resulting in a situation which represents surplus. So option C is the right answer. Increase in supply. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.